Yes, GPT-5 will destroy AI as we know it, but not in a bad way, in a fantastic way. GPT-5 is going to blow your mind, and for those who are not prepared, is going to brutally pull the rug from under you and slam you to the ground. Have you been using GPT 4.5, which is the latest that came out in February this year? It's child's play in front of GPT 5. GPT 5 is going to be a unified AI. You don't have to shift from 3.5, 4, or 4.5 or whatever. It will automatically adapt to whatever you need. You just need GPT 5, nothing else. No moving from one model to another. That is all going to be history. Just one GPT-5 model for everyone and everything. It's going to be much, much more powerful than GPT-4. It's going to change everything. It'll have chain of thought reasoning by default. You don't have to tell it to think. It'll automatically do the thinking, do everything step by step, and give you the best possible results. Its memory will be vast. It'll remember everything. If you have a certain way of working, it'll adapt to it and help you to work in exactly the same way and keep refining itself to become more attuned to you. If you're trying to learn something, it'll understand how you learn and teach you in that way. It'll have a 1 to 2 million token context. That means you can upload entire books, entire documentation of a company, huge legal documents, and it'll understand and remember it all. It'll be multimodal. You can talk, share images, share videos, share a diagram, everything simultaneously, and it'll understand and perform perfectly. Multimodal means every mode can be used to interact with ChatGPT 5. And its voice mode is going to be way different. When you speak to ChatGPT 4, it's okay in voice mode. But in GPT 5, when you speak to GPT 5, in all probability, it's going to answer and talk to you in real time, like as if you are having a conversation with a real person. You can upload a file, talk to ChatGPT 5, and tell what you want, and at the same time, upload a video and some images, and it'll understand everything, take everything into consideration, and give you the best results or solution. The intelligence level of GPT 5 will be beyond most humans. It is almost reaching AGI, artificial general intelligence, which means as good or better than the most intelligent people on earth. Right now, we are at ANI, artificial narrow intelligence. AI is able to do only a specific kind of work. It talks to you, it'll write text for you, it'll create images. But AGI is like a human being interacting with you. GPT-5 is going to be able to do that. It's almost there. AGI, the absolute top level of capability of AI with the current infrastructure, is going to be reached very soon. And GPT-5 is a big step in that direction. People, GPT-5 is going to change everything. And you need to know that only those companies and even people, say entrepreneurs or those using AI for their work, only those who learn how to use GPT-5 effectively are going to be the most successful in the future. Okay, let's forget all that. Let's get down to you and me. How is it going to change for you and me? Well, you're going to find GPT-5 to be much better in every way, more able to understand you, more intelligent, more deep thinking, more intuitive in helping you with anything. You want to create an image or a video, it will do it in a much better way. You will get video with native voice and sound. Tell it what video you want and it'll create the scene complete with voice, background music, and sound effects. Images will be much more precise and of a higher quality. They will have great detailing. Sometimes text in images go awry in GPT-4 now, but GPT-5 will solve all that. However, there's a real danger there because with far enhanced video capabilities, someone can create very real fake videos. The flip side is that ChatGPT-5 itself will be better at detecting those fake videos. So responsible use will be of very high importance. And one fantastic thing about GPT-5, the hallucinations that happen with AI, is going to go down drastically. Right now, GPT-4 is sometimes 30% hallucination. That's a little high, but yeah, GPT-5 will bring it down to half to 15% or maybe less. If you learn how to prompt properly with GPT-5, you can ask it to write something and then check it and make sure that it has relevant sources from which it has verified all facts and points. That means you will get perfect content with no hallucinations. GPT-5 is going to change everything. This is the space age of AI. We are right now in the industrial age of AI. Now we are getting into the space age of AI. things have opened out. I mean, imagine going from Earth to the entire cosmos. That's where AI is going to go with GPT-5. And the wonderful part is that it's coming to everyone. Whether you're a paid subscriber or not, you will get GPT-5. If you're a paid subscriber, then you will get higher and more expanded capabilities with ChatGPT-5. You already can make GPTs if you're a paid subscriber now. That's like you can give sequential instructions and create automation to a pretty decent level. With GPT-5, I really can't imagine what you'll be able to do. You'll be able to create agents that will do everything for you. GPT-5 will be able to do actual things for you that you needed to do manually up till now. It is not going to be passive. You can ask it to do complete end-to-end tasks. It'll automatically work with APIs and tools. It'll just do stuff for you. Just imagine the world that will open up to you. It'll literally be able to replace teams and entire departments when used effectively. So companies who utilize GPT-5 and integrate it into their workflows will move far ahead of others. People who integrate GPT-5 into their own personal workflows, they will move faster and achieve way more than others. So GPT-5 is a real-world game changer. Sam Altman has promised it's going to be fantastic. OpenAI is setting a much higher safety bar for GPT-5. It's going to work incredibly hard to avoid generating harmful content or misinformation. It'll resist manipulation and remain reliable under pressure. GPT-5 is expected to be far more agent-like, capable of autonomous actions, which raises new risks. That's why it's been rigorously tested for safety, alignment, and real-world robustness before its release. Sam Altman is taking special steps to ensure that it is safe, that all the precautions and safety parameters are fully met, which is why he's holding on and making sure it is absolutely good to go when it launches. And when it launches, it's going to shake the very foundations of AI as we know it today. The world is entering a new era of AI with GPT-5. Are you ready for it? Please comment below. Do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top for more videos like this one.